Okay, my dear ones, as it is Saturday and we are starting our today's speaking session. As you know that I have given you the topic for the students of B11 and B18. Today's topic is city life. You have to describe city life. Okay, what facilities are here, what problems are here, what do you think about city life, like that. Small sentences, you can use small sentences at the time of speaking. Okay, so first of all we are starting with Harshit. Yes, come on, Harshit.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Harshik Moore. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is city life.
Hmm.
Uh, City life is well known by everyone. Everyone knows that what is a city, what are there. So
Hmm.
today I will try to describe city life. Um, in cities, there are many facilities like there are roads, big houses, apartments,
सुनो सब ध्यान
buildings,
से. हाँ.
and many more things.
Hmm.
And, city and in cities there is there are all the facilities available that are given by the government or by any company,
Hmm.
like the water facility, electricity and many more. And city life is very comfortable for all, uh, because in cities most of the people have their own apartments, their houses, by which they uh, from where they may rest and make their life happy, and by using television they may make their tension free.
Hmm.
Uh, and in cities there are all the facilities of medical, education, business, and many more, by which we may earn our livelihood.
Hmm.
And in in cities, it's easy to find any hospital. If the patient is very serious, then we may find any hospital very quickly at a little distance.
Hmm.
And there are many schools in cities, by which all the students may take their educations and may complete their achievements.
Hmm.
And now I would like to tell you that the disadvantages of living in city
Hmm.
life. The major disadvantage is this, that there is a loud and there is a loud noise all around us,
Hmm.
and whether it is day or night, everywhere you will see vehicles and the horns of those vehicles, and pollution as well as.
Hmm.
And uh, in cities, there are not enough plants to absorb CO2 that is released day to in day to day life by the citizens of that place. And uh, in cities, um, when the people come their home, and they want to do relax, and at the time they feel boring, because they don't have anything to be done, and they don't have a love with nature, so that they may pass their times with the plants.
Hmm.
uh, uh, that's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड. शाबाश. तनिष अभी बोलोगे या रुक के बोलोगे? है बेटा? ओके, आ जाओ. And now I'm calling Tanish. He is the newer student of B19 batch. Very good, Tanish. Shabash beta.
Good morning, all of you. I am a student of Ramban coaching classes.
Shabash.
My name is Tanish Meena. I read in class 9.
Hmm.
My school name is Sani Adarsh Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. I live in Bandipur.
Hmm.
I go to school
Hmm.
by cycle.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोलता जा. वेरी गुड.
There
शाबाश
are
बेटा.
many students in my school.
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
I have some friends.
शाबाश.
My
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
best friend name is Anand Singh Gujar.
Hmm.
And my favorite game is cricket.
Hmm.
I my favorite subject is math.
Hmm.
My favorite teacher is Rajesh ji sir.
Hmm.
बस
शाबाश, हो गई देख ले तेरी स्पीकिंग की शुरुआत, है बेटा। बस अब मजा आ जाएगा, बस कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा तेरे अंदर। वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। सुनना जरा अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग आज जरूर। हर्ष, हर्ष फ्रॉम B11।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is city life.
Hmm.
As we all are living in city life, and there are about there are a lot of cities in India, and cities are very developing areas. There are many big buildings, hotels, restaurants, schools, colleges, universities, etc. in cities.
Hmm.
Cities have many facilities like entertaining facilities, transporting facilities, etc.
Hmm.
By these facilities we can entertain ourselves and go to another place in a very short or limited time.
Hmm.
And there are many advantages in living cities, like in living cities, if any person has injured, he or she can go to a nearby hospital in just 2 or 3 minutes.
Hmm.
If someone needs money, then he can go to bank, as there are a lot of banks in cities.
Hmm.
And if he doesn't have any person to cook food in his or her
Hmm.
home, so then he can go to any restaurant.
Hmm.
And but with many advantages, uh, cities has many disadvantages also. Like there is a lot of pollution in cities by which uh, many people die. There is a lot of noise pollution because of horns of transporting week meals,
Hmm.
and the space in cities is very less.
Hmm.
So there is a lot of global warming नहीं होगी ना, global warming.
हाँ, सफोकेशन कह दो,
So
ग्लोबल
there is
वार्मिंग।
a lot of so there's a lot of suffocation in the cities.
Hmm.
So the persons who are having disease of in inhaling are are suggested to not live in cities, as there is a lot of suffocation.
Hmm.
And there are many factories which pollute the environment,
Hmm.
and there are less trees and more stone buildings in cities.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग, कीप इट अप। नाउ सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am a student of the Raman online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18.
Hmm.
And today we have a session of speaking.
Hmm.
And today our topic is city life. Uh, we have listened name of city because we live in city.
Hmm.
We are we are villagers, but we have come in cities for many facilities like education, good education, and schools, colleges, hospitals, etc. And city life is considered better than village life because there are many facilities in the cities.
Hmm.
City and there are many cities in our Bharat,
Hmm.
and many people live them, and in which most of the uh, people are businessmen, government employee, and doctor, engineer, teacher, etc.
Hmm.
And there are many big and good schools, colleges, and universities, and in which city people can read and 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 also can become good and a successful man,
Hmm.
like doctor, engineer, teacher, etc.
Hmm.
And there are many coachings and libraries in which students can read and they also can increase their knowledge.
Hmm.
And the facility of hospitals is also very good in cities, and all types of operation facilities are available in cities,
Hmm.
uh, so that so that city people can keep fit their health.
Can keep. Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. And there are many parks and malls in which people can time pass
Pass their
and
time.
yes sir, pass their time. And we know very well that we have a lot of work and stress, and by which we can overcome our stress.
शाबाश शाबाश बोलते रहो हाँ.
Yes sir. And so we can say that city life is better, but there are some problems which are uh, very bad. Like there is pollution and there is noise of vehicles,
Hmm.
and there are very few trees in the cities.
Hmm.
And there are many accidents in cities because all people are hurry.
In hurry.
Yes, sir, are in hurry. So they drive their vehicles at high speed,
Hmm.
and we know very well that lacking of facilities in villages, village villagers are coming in cities.
Two cities.
Yes, sir. Two cities. So our government should build apartments in cities so that so that more people can live in small place.
Hmm.
So we can say that city life is better than village life. So that's it.
Very good. शाबाश. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल. जो मन में थॉट्स हैं बोलो. गलत करते करते ही सही करोगे. समझ गए ना. घबराने की डरने की किसी को जरूरत नहीं है. बस कोशिश करो आप. समझ लेना इस बात को. कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kamal Berwa. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. I'm the student of B11, and today my topic is city life. We all know that city life is very easy and comfortable for all, and there are many types of facilities, and we can say that city life is very easy and comfortable for us, and we all know that there are many types of good facilities. First example is that there are in the cities there are many big schools, and in the schools there are many good qualifying teachers,
Very good.
and they teach their students perfectly, and we all know that in that schools there are many types of facilities like sitting facilities, and playing facility, studying facility also, etc. And we all know that in the cities there are many types of big hospitals, and in that hospitals there are big doctors, and there are many big machines like x-ray, ct scan, and etc. And we all know that in the cities there are many types of specialist doctors, and we can say that in the city areas um, all organ all organs have specialist doctors, and we can treat
ऑल ऑर्गन्स मतलब
मतलब कि सभी अपने शारीरिक अंगों के सभी विशेषज्ञ होते हैं
तो ऑर्गन नहीं, देयर आर द स्पेशलिस्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द डिजीजेस.
Yes, sir. And
आराम से घबरा
we all know
मत.
that
हाँ बोल
yes,
बेटा.
sir. We all know that there are many types of um, um, there are many types of big coaching areas, and academies also, and their students there are many students teach them, and
मैं
there are
बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत,
there,
घबराए मत करो, तुम आराम से बोला करो, सेंटेंसेस को सही फ्रेमिंग किया करके बोलो. बोलो अच्छा आ रहा है, बोलो घबराओ मत.
yes, sir. In the academies and coaching areas there are good qualifying teachers
क्वालिफाइंग नहीं,
and
क्वालिफाइड.
qualified teachers, and in the city areas also have there are many big libraries, and most of the students go there, and we all know that in the city areas there are many types of um, entertainment function items like shopping malls, cinema hall, and gardens or etc. We all know that in the city areas there are big gardens and parks. Most of the people go there evening and morning, and they can they spend their time in the gardens, and they can feel fresh environment
शाबाश,
in the gardens,
वेरी गुड. हाँ
and we all know that there are many big roads and highways in the city areas, but most of the people drive their vehicles at high speed, then they are injured. So they should not drive at high speed, and we all know that in the city areas there are many types of facilities, but there are many harmful things, like in there are in the city areas environment is not good, because there are many types of vehicles, and but nowadays we all know that there are electric vehicles, so we can improve our pollution.
we can lessen the pollution, we can reduce the pollution with the help of electric vehicles. हाँ बेटा.
Okay, sir. And we all know that there are so uh, we should grow more and more plants in the city areas also, and in the city areas there are many types of big societies, and most of the people want to live in society in the city, but village life is better than city, because there are fresh environment, and there are brotherhood in the village. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो, है ना. वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो, थोड़ा सा सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखा करो थोड़ा सा. बाकी बढ़िया है, नो प्रॉब्लम. और फोकस करोगे तो और शार्पनेस आएगी, वो अपने को चाहिए बेटा अभी, है ना. यस नाउ रक्षित.
Yes, sir.
यस.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about city life. As we all know that there are mainly two types of life: village life and city life. Today I am telling about city life. As we all know that city life is very developed because there are many things that are used for making the life of the people easy who are living there, like much technology used in cities for doing works, for going anywhere, people use mobiles, televisions, laptops, computers to do their work. And there are many means of transportation in cities, so the people who are living there do not get any trouble in going anywhere. And by because there are because many vehicles run day and night in cities, so there is much crowd in cities. And there is also much noise of vehicles in cities, so noise pollution is also increased by in cities. And as we all know that in city you get a comfortable life.
Hmm.
And because of the technology that is used in cities. And but you do not get the peaceful environment in cities as you get in village life, because there is always the noise of vehicles there. And as you know that there are big buildings, how big houses, apartments, flats, shops in
Hmm.
cities.
Hmm.
And there are many big markets, malls, parks, and shops, so that you do not get in getting you easily get your daily usable things there, like grocery, etc. And if you want to walk, you can go in parks and get fresh air, because there is much pollution there. And you do not get fresh air everywhere in city. But in gardens and parks there are many trees, so you get fresh air there. And you get and as you get comfortable life in city, but you do not get a fresh life in city, because you see that there are not more trees in cities. And many vehicles are used in cities which run with fuels. And you know that fuels release many harmful gases. And factories and industries are also set up in cities mostly, so by the factories many harmful gases are also released.
Hmm.
And so this pollutes the air of cities very much.
Hmm.
And you do not get a fresh environment. And by this there is much hot in cities during summers. And
Hmm.
and so and in cities and you get and in cities you there are many things by which you can less you can make your work easy. And so that's it.
Very good. Shabash, beta. Very good, beta. कोशिश करते रहो, beta. Yes. Now, Lucky. Lucky.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Lucky Verva. I am the student of Ramban online elective classes from batch 18 and also batch 11.
Hmm.
Today, I am telling about city life.
Hmm.
We all know that we live in Jaipur. Jaipur city is very good and big.
Hmm.
We all know that all all people. No, sorry, sir. We all know that all people live in cities.
Hmm.
We all know that city is very useful and good for us.
Hmm.
There are many facilities in the city life, like good roads, big houses, big hospitals, etc.
Hmm.
Most of the city dwellers are shopkeeper, businessman, engineer, doctor, etc.
Hmm.
Uh, there are many good schools, universities, and colleges in which students get good knowledge and become a good person.
Hmm.
Uh, we all know that in the city area, in the city area, hospitals, good hospitals are available,
Hmm.
in which people treat people get good treatment and they
Hmm.
दूर हो सकते हैं, उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे,
क्या
दूर हो सकते हैं
दूर हो सकते
बीमारियों से.
हैं? They can keep themselves away.
they
They can keep away
they can keep away
diseases.
diseases.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. We all know that there are many good parks and playground in which children and people free them.
Leave them free. बोलो बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल भी होने दो. हाँ.
Mm,
हो गया. चलो कोई बात नहीं, उसके कुछ शायद कनेक्शन की कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई. ओके, यामिनी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu, and today my topic is city life. As we all know, we all are humans when we live in a place. This place is like is are so this place have so many types like village, village, village places, city places, and town places.
Hmm.
Today my topic is city place, city place.
Hmm.
So first of all, we should know about the needs of city. City is a place which is developed fully
Hmm.
because this place has so many facilities like hospitals, school, universities, bank, big roads, pakke buildings and houses, etc.
Hmm.
There, there are so good. There are so good and they are so good and pakki roads by which we can travel anywhere in very short time. Uh, there are so many vehicles by which we can go anywhere.
Hmm.
Uh, we we suppose a person who lives in city, if he injured, he can go hospitals because in the cities there are a lot of hospitals, clinic, and medical shops
Hmm.
by which he and she can get first aid and go hospitals and say he and she can save his and her life.
Hmm.
A person who lives in city, he and she can get best education because in the cities there are best colleges, schools, and universities are present in which good teachers teach us.
Hmm.
We can increase our knowledge because there are so many big libraries in which so many useful and knowledgeful books are available.
Hmm. Hmm. Very good.
can we can read them and increase our knowledge and become successful in our life. We can become engineer, doctor, um, everything which we want.
Hmm.
In cities, we see so many successful people are live. Be, successful people are live. These successful people made this country more make this place more developed. Cities are also so useful for our nation's economics because so many uh, tourist places are here
Hmm.
which support our economic system.
Hmm.
Uh, the cities has so many lot of banks in which we can take loan and we can do our self business.
Very good. Shabash beta.
So many people come in cities
Come to
because
cities.
of
हाँ, बोल कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू. हाँ, ये छोटी मोटी गलतियां हो जाएंगी, ठीक है अपना, बोल बेटा.
come to cities because of because of getting jobs, because cities have so many fields and resources for earning money. Like there are so many factories, offices in which they can get jobs. There are so many vacancies also. So many government vacancies also. Uh, the cities has
Cities have
a
आएगा.
good cities have
पर ध्यान रखा करो.
good mean of entertainment, like they have cinema, circuses, cinema halls, etc. Cities have big and great markets, malls, etc. in which we can go and bring things. Some people say in the cities the day and the night is equal, because in the nights the roads are also full in the cities. The shops are open here 24 hours, by which at the night we can also bring those things which are important, like medicines, grocery items, etc. Cities has so many qualities, but also some qualities also. Because of lot of vehicles, there are much pollution.
Is it?
There is much pollution. Uh, there is much noise pollution also, because there are so many vehicles, and because of their horns, the noise pollution increase day by day. So most of the people who live in cities, they are affected by asthma, cancer, or other diseases which is affected us by pollution,
Which affects
which affects
us
us
because of pollution.
because of pollution.
Hmm.
In the cities there are big buildings and successful people, but there are no good neighbors. There are big buildings, but there are no caring people. The neighborhood is also finished here. No one care others. The cities, all the people do not have time. They all are busy in their routines. In the cities there are there are few trees.
Very few trees.
Very few trees, which are not enough. Which are not enough, because there are so many people live in the cities. There are much crowd. In the cities. Thank you sir, that's it.
यार फॉर्म पे फोकस करो, वर्ब्स को ठीक करो, बाकी सब ठीक है तुम्हारा. मैं आपको बार बार कहता हूँ कि सबसे ज्यादा जो गलतियां होती हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द एरर्स वी मेक आर रिलेटेड टू वर्ब फॉर्म्स. मेक इट क्लियर. ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा, चाहे आराम से बोलो, धीरे धीरे बोलो, करेक्ट करने बोलने की कोशिश करो. यस, ओके, बट नाइस स्पीकिंग. यामिनी, keep it up बेटा, शाबाश. And now I am calling Umesh. Umesh is the newest student of this class, and he is from B19. Come, Umesh.
Yes, sir. I am a student of Raman online classes from batch 18. Today my topic is myself. My name is Umesh Sani. I read in class 8th. I am 13 years old. I
Shabash.
live in Jaipur.
Hmm.
There are 4 members in my family.
Very
My
good.
father's name is Mr. Naval Kishore Sani,
Very good.
and my mother's name is Mrs. Meera Devi Sani.
Hmm.
My brother's name is Nishant Sani.
Hmm.
I like to play cricket daily.
Hmm.
I go to garden daily.
Hmm.
I like to blue color.
वेरी नाइस स्पीकिंग शाबाश बेटा शाबाश हो गया काम तेरा हाँ
My school name is Janta Ada Senior Secondary School. My school is very big and beautiful. My colony name is Income Tax Colony. My colony is very big and beautiful. That's it, sir.
शाबाश वेरी नाइस बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा ये लो हो गई तुम्हारी स्पीकिंग की भी शुरुआत पर मैंने करवाई नहीं है पर तुम्हारी है ना ये तो आज ठीक है हमने कहा चलो थोड़ा सा ट्राई करो आप शाबाश बेटा गुड गोइंग यस कम ऑन रौनक फ्रॉम B18
Hello everyone, my name is Arnak. I study in Ramba Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's my topic is city life. As you know that city life is very comfortable. Cities has a lot of facilities.
वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा
Cities have a lot of facilities. Cities people are qualified. Most of the cities people are engineer, doctor, teacher, officer, etc. There are many good and big colleges, schools,
very good
offices, and etc. There are good roads and vehicles. There are many gardens and people go to morning walk. There are many accidents because there people are very hurry
इन हरी शाबाश बोल 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 घबरा मत
and drive car very fast.
वेरी गुड आज लग रहा है तू खुद बोल रहा है
Very fast and there are big libraries which have many books.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
There are many educational facilities.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड बेटा वेरी गुड हाँ
Cities people are very healthy because there are many hospital facilities. There are many police stations, hospital, etc. And but the city's big problem is water problem, light issues, and there are cities air very polluted. But there are many facilities. And city that's it.
वेरी बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा आज तुमने ऐसे ही किया कर बस मेहनत समझ गया ना हाँ ये लगा बिल्कुल ओरिजिनल तेरा आया सब कुछ निकल करके वेरी गुड यस नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग कबीर फ्रॉम B18
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sri. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from HB18. Today's my topic is city life. As we know that city life is very comfortable and luxury.
लग्जरी हाँ luxurious
City has many facilities.
धीरे धीरे बोल आराम से तसल्ली से सही सही बोलना बस कोशिश कर हाँ बोल
Cities have many entertainment items like phone, PC, etc. Cities people are very successful. cities has many coachings, schools, universities, etc.
Hmm.
It is very popular.
Hmm.
Cities people is very
Are
cities people are cities people are very successful, like they are doctor, engineer, etc.
hmm.
uh, cities 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 people has many
have सिंगुलर वर्ब का ध्यान रखो, नहीं गलती हो जाएगा जिंदगी भर। ये प्लूरल के साथ में
cities.
हैव आता है ना,
Yes sir.
ध्यान रखो फिर। हाँ।
Cities people have many vehicles.
Hmm.
uh, Cities have many traffic.
Much traffic. Traffic is not countable.
Okay, sir. All people go all people go all people want to go their destination fastly.
Hmm.
uh, Cities has many facilities like hospital, banks, offices, etc.
Hmm.
cities Cities vehicles is very
आर थोड़ा आराम
cities
से बोलो, लेकिन
vehicles
सही ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा सा सिंगुलर वर्ब को फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो। हाँ बोलो।
cities have many vehicles, so cities has many pollution.
Hmm.
uh, Cities has few
अरे
trees.
हैज नहीं भाई, हैव 5 बार तो बोल दिया मैंने तेरे को बेटा। रट के आया है क्या
City
सिटीज के साथ हैज लगाना है?
no,
तुझे
sir.
बोल दिया सिटीज प्लूरल, तो ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा, इतना मंदबुद्धि तो है नहीं तू। सिटीज प्लूरल है तो उसके साथ प्लूरल वर्ब आएगी हैव। ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा बेटा। हाँ बोल।
Cities have many cinema halls.
हम्म
People go there for watch movies.
हम्म
Yes, sir. That's it.
हाँ थोड़ा ध्यान रखा कर बेटा, जब गलतियों को पकड़वा रहा हूँ तो उनको पकड़ो। गलतियों को बार बार गलती करोगे तो क्या मतलब है फिर? आप गलती कर रहे हो, मैं आपको पकड़वा रहा हूँ, देखो बेटा ये गलती कर रहे हो, उसको ठीक करो, ध्यान रखो उसको, अगली बार में फोकस करके रखो थोड़ा सा। समझ गया ना बेटा? दिमाग का काम है, थोड़ा ध्यान करोगे तो चीजें ठीक होंगी, नहीं तो गलती रहेगी तो गलती होती चली जाएगी बेटा। ये तो आगे तक ध्यान रख लेना। यस आदित्य, आजा बेटा।
My name is Aditya. I'm a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes.
हम्म,
Today's my topic is city life.
शाबाश। आराम से बोलना बेटा, तसल्ली, धीरे धीरे, बिल्कुल कोई घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है। बोल बेटा।
City life is very a kind life.
हम्म
Many facilities in city life.
मैनी
In life,
फैसिलिटीज, देयर आर मैनी फैसिलिटीज इन सिटीज, देयर को यूज करो।
there are many facilities in the city,
हाँ
like many hospitals, gardens, schools,
हम्म
and many universities and many good coaching.
शाबाश, धीरे धीरे बोलो, ऐसे बोलो, आराम से।
Many and and many people going morning walk in the garden.
गो फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक, गोइंग नहीं, गो फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक। टेंस का ध्यान रखो, फोकस करो, फोकस एक एक चीज के ऊपर। बोल बेटा, बोल।
It's a
हम्म
many every day many noise is in city.
देयर से बनाओ, देयर इज टू मच
It's a
नॉइज इन सिटीज।
there is too much noise in the cities.
ऐसे।
And and city people are very kind people. And many few temples in the city.
ऐसे नहीं, देयर आर मैनी टेम्पल्स, देयर आर मैनी या फ्यू? मैनी तो ज्यादा, फ्यू का मतलब कम। ज्यादा है कम है?
The come.
तो बोलो कम। देयर आर वेरी फ्यू टेम्पल्स इन सिटीज। देयर से बनाओ सेंटेंस को, मोस्टली सेंटेंस देयर से बनेंगे, बनाओ, घबराओ मत। हाँ
There are many few temples in the cities. I like city life very much. Yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड, कोशिश करो बेटा, शाबाश। कल कहाँ, 2 दिन से कहाँ थे तुम?
सर पापा से बात करनी पड़ेगी।
किसको?
सर आपको।
क्यों?
सर वही बता सकते हैं, मैं
ओके,
नहीं
ठीक
बता
है, ओके, यस, नाउ वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today my topic is city life. As we know that city life is very restful, and in India there are many cities like Bombay, Delhi, Jaipur, etc. And there are many good facilities, and there are very big hospitals, school, colleges, universities, etc. And there are many coaching centers where the student can get good education, and there is a there is a ma- there is a man there is a so pollution in city.
हाँ, शाबाश, हाँ बेटा, हाँ.
There are very few trees, and some people drive their vehicles at a very high speed.
High speed, हाँ.
High speed. So this is the cause of accident in
शाबाश,
city.
very good.
And there are many big shopping malls, shops,
शाबाश.
grocery shops, etc. And city people are very good, and they are in very hurry up.
हरी अपनी हरी.
Yes, sir, hurry. So the city life is very good, and some village people come to the village come to city to get proper education and proper medical facilities, etc.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, वेरी गुड. घबरा मत, टाइम लगता है बेटा चीजों में, ना बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. हाँ.
Yes, sir, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, कोशिश करो, बस कुछ नहीं है. हाँ, सब चीजों में टाइम लगता है बेटा, है ना. बहुत अच्छा बोला, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा बोला. निशांत कैसे रह गए? निशांत.
मैंने रौनक के बाद नाम तो डाला था.
हाँ यार, ये मिस हो गया, पता नहीं कैसे. मैंने अभी जब चेक कर रहा हूँ, जब मैंने कहा निशांत ने कैसे नहीं बोला. यस, कम ऑन निशांत, आ जा बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishant. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is city life. Most of the people live in cities due to comfort and many facilities. I also like to live in city due to many health facilities and studies facilities. There are many coachings schools in cities. In comparison of villages, there is higher education in cities. There are also many hospitals in cities, from where people get better treatment than villages. There are many shops in cities from where we can purchase anything.
Good,
There
very good.
are also there are also many places where people go to visit. People go to visit. Mumbai is the largest city in the India. There are many. They they in the Mumbai. It is very developed city. In the in the field of finance, it is the largest financial city.
Shabash, very good.
Jaipur is also the largest city of Rajasthan.
Shabash, shabash,
There
very good.
are many facilities in Jaipur, like there are many hospitals like SMS, Jaipuria, etc. There are also many big schools like Vidya Bhavan, Vidya Ashram, Saint Joseph, etc. From there, students get good knowledge and they become an they become they become successful. That's it, sir.
Shabash, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yes, now Anushka. हाँ बेटा आजा.
Namaste, sir.
हाँ बेटा आजा.
Today's my topic is the city life. In some people move from village to cities for their better employment and job opportunities. In cities there is a better facilities like hospitals, colleges and schools, private schools. But in cities the people all live all are in hurry.
शाबाश शाबाश. ऐसे घबराए मत. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
So they don't give importance to other people. They only think that they are better from other people's.
Then other people. हाँ. शाबाश.
In cities there are many accidents happens because of their सर लापरवाही को क्या बोलते हैं?
Carelessness.
Because of their carelessness. But city life is better than village life because of the better opportunities, and some people start their business in cities which were come from the small villages or towns. In cities there are many markets and places which can be visited.
Can be visited.
Which can be visited. But in markets there is so एक minute sir.
आराम से बेटा.
Because of heavy crowd in cities, there is no place to live in cities, and the trees were cut down because of making factories and industries.
शाबाश.
And there are better opportunities of employment. Cities are the best place for the students for study.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Very good. हाँ. अच्छा बच्चा.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश. मजा आ गया. She is from B19. She has completed only 1 month here with us. Very good, Anushka. You can keep.
Thank you, sir.
You can join B18 also. It is my offer to you with B19 that we start at.
Sir,
If you have time,
भाई से पूछना पड़ेगा.
पूछ लेना. If you have time, you can join beta. For better or more practice. Very nice speaking. And is there anyone? I think all have taken their turn. Very good. Shabash. Thank you.